Welcome to our video on creating videos for free. Today, we'll explore how you can unleash your creativity without spending a dime. There are numerous tools available that allow you to create videos at no cost. Let's take a look at some popular options. Online video editing platforms like Clipchamp and OpenShot allow you to edit videos from the comfort of your browser. They're user-friendly and great for beginners. Using free tools is a fantastic way for beginners to learn video editing without the pressure of financial investment. You can experiment and develop your skills. However, it's important to acknowledge the limitations of free software. These can include watermarks, fewer features, or limited customer support. To maximize the quality of your free video projects, remember to plan your content carefully, use high-resolution images, and pay attention to audio quality. Let's showcase some amazing videos created for free. These creators have turned their ideas into visually striking projects using just free resources. Don't forget to take advantage of community resources. Many forums and tutorial websites offer free guidance and support for beginners. Embrace your creativity. Even with free resources, you can produce original and captivating content that stands out. So what are you waiting for? Grab your ideas and start creating videos for free today. The world wants to see your unique stories.